Okay, challenging question this one. I'm going to go nice and slowly through how to do this. Let me read it out. And this is from question 22 of the Corbett ratio. It's actually about cards and I wrote beads in here. Oh, anyway, there are the ratio of, let's call beads here, the ratio of red beads to black beads is 3 to 10. However, when you add 2 more red, then the new ratio is 1 to 3. How many black beads were there? Really, quite a challenging question. And the only way, well not the only way, but a way that I'd like to answer this is this way. I'm going to look at it as fractions. I know from this point that 3 out of the 13 were the total number of red beads. So 3/13 of the total are red beads to begin with. That's what we start with. I know 3/13 of the total are red. Now I'm going to add another equation, because we say when we add 2 more, we get it slightly different. So now it's going to be a quarter of it. But if that's my original, I'm going to add 2 to that, because that's my new total. And of my red, I'm adding 2. Hopefully you can see how this works. So that's the original statement. 3/13 of the total were red. Now keep that same total, I add 2. A quarter of this now, because this is the ratio there, is now the original red plus 2. I'm going to multiply all this out by 4, because that just tidies it up, and rearrange that. T, take away 2 from both sides, is that. I'm going to do the same at the top here, so that's one equation. I'm going to do the same here, times everything by 13. So what we call is simultaneous now, it's mixing these ones together, and I'll show you how I can do that. So if I've got t here and I've got 3t there, I can say that actually my 3t equals 13r, and if I do here, I've got t equals 4r plus 6. So I can say if I times that all by 3, so times that by 3, and notice the difference here, the difference of 13r, 12r plus 8. So r must be 18. If these two sides are the same, then for this to be the same, the only difference is there's an extra r there, and there's an extra 18. So r must equal 18. If I know I've got 18 red, I know I've got 3 times the number of black. Okay, or r, sorry, is right at the beginning here, isn't it? R is there. So if I've got 18 there, I times that by 6 to get to 18. So don't forget, these are our original numbers. So therefore I times that by 6, and that's how many black beads I had. And you can see that this is in the ratio of 3 to 10, and if I add 2 more, it's 20 to 60, which is 1 to 3. Quite a challenge, isn't it? I'll let you think about that and look at that for a second, but it is quite an interesting question.